Is it the explosive preservatives that make it taste so good?
Whoa, it's Snot and his mom. They're in trouble.
This headband, a pavement pouncer, or any other trucker out there, shut the door and sit on the toilet, because I've got some friends deep in donkey dew. Over.
That's a Big 10-4 headband. 4 hot shovels coming your way.
I see you now, and you're bringing a great big convoy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You can't say that word. We're nothing like that song.
What song?
Not this one.
We got a big group of trucks, that means more than one truck. Now we got a big group of trucks, usually 4 or 5 trucks. Come on and join our big group of trucks, this time it's only 4 trucks.
What the hell?
Guess it's up to us to get that donkey off his tail.
Hey, honey! Smoke 'em if you got 'em!
Oh, yeah!
There's Keebler! You caught him, Shmuley. Now take him out! Put on the dash? You're doing the Skidrokio drift! Oh, no, you missed.
No, I didn't, Mom.
For me? But why didn't you Skidrokio Keebler?
Screw Keebler. And screw the red rammer. I don't want it. That's Dad's car, and I'm letting it go.
Why?
'Cause Dad let us go. He bailed on us, but you stuck around. You're the only dad I need.
Now, let's clock some driving hours so I can sign your permit paper.